you. Happy morning, grade 8 girls, 23 out of 30. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 7 girls, 25 out of 31. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 6 girls, 23 out of 20. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 6 boys, 36 out of 40. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 7 boys, 58 out of 50. Happy morning, grade 8 boys, 80 out of 50. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 boys, 25 out of 30. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 10 TOPAZ, 27 out of 28. Thank you.
Happy morning. Today's school attendance 490 out of 600. Get ready for prayer.
Louder.
Stretch your arms forward.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of history and valid heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
International news is brought to you by Shivachan from grade 9 TOPAZ. International news. Iran and Bahrain agreed to talk about how they might resume diplomatic relations survived since 2016. National news. Matab takes oath as Pro Tem Speaker of 18th Lok Sabha. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Abhinav of grade 9 TOPAZ. State news. Orders issued for another major reshuffle of IAS officers. Sports news. India won by 24 runs against Australia. Thank you.
Everyone, today's weather report brought to you by Saurav from grade 9 Topaz. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, mostly cloudy, humidity is 76 degrees, speed of wind is 9 meter per hour. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Abdul Nafe. Today's thought is brought to you by me. Today's thought. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. I repeat once again. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Myself Amulya, I am from grade 9 Topaz. Today's word, create. It is a verb. It means bring into existence. Friends, please spell after me. C-R-E-A-T-E. Create. Thank you. Have a good day. Everyone, I am Ashwita of grade 9 Topaz. Now our friends are going to show some mathematical symbols and uses of them.
Happy morning. Here I am equal and not equal. In mathematically, it is equal between two quantities. For example, 50 is equal to 50 and 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Not equal. This is used to denote not equal between two quantities. For example, 50 not equal to 100. Thank you.
Happy morning. Happy morning. I am greater and lesser. Greater than and lesser than symbol shows inequality between two values. First quantity is more than lesser. Second quantity. First quantity is less than second quantity. Example: 60 is greater than 30. 30 is less than 60. Thank you. The symbol is using for given lines or parallel. Can anyone give an example for the parallel lines? Yes, the example for the parallel lines is railway tracks. Next, perpendicular. The symbol is using for perpendicular lines means making an angle 90 degrees between them. Can anyone give an example for the perpendicular lines? Example for the perpendicular lines. A pole is perpendicular to the surface. Thank you.
Denotes a sum of many terms. Sigma n I is equal to 1 to 5. It means the sum of first 5 numbers. Can you say what is the sum of first 5 numbers? The sum of first 5 numbers is 15. This is pi denotes a product of many terms. Pi n is equal to I is equal to 1 to 5. Can you say what is the product of first 5 numbers? The answer is 120.
Okay, few instruction. Yesterday I have intimated you.
So we'll be seeing why do we learn mathematics? Can anyone say it? Louder. Teaches us how to add love and subtract hate. And it also, as she said, helps us give hope for the problems which we face in life. Because there is always a solution for a problem. So how do we learn this wonderful thing called mathematics? First, you listen to your teachers. Then you comprehend it. After comprehending it, you practice again and again so that you gain confidence. You gain confidence, you can face anything. See, now I have been called upon to speak in front of you. I have been only intimated for 10 minutes before. But I am speaking in front of you because I am confident. I know what to speak. That gives you. When there is an opportunity, you should pounce on it. If you are confident, you could do so. So, gain confidence, practice, be obedient. That's what I have to say. So, I hope you will have a beautiful and blissful morning. Thank you.
Ready for national anthem. Assembly dispersed. School left turn.
Class 10th.